Hey guys, my name is Alex. I'm the founder of Beachside Custom Vans, and today I'm very excited to give you a tour on a custom van that we built out earlier this year. Make sure you guys watch the whole video because at the end we'll be announcing how to win a giveaway. Let's get right into it.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So this van is a Mercedes Sprinter 22. It is 4x4 and built off a 170 wheelbase. The first thing we added onto this van was upgraded suspension. This is Van Compass's Stage 4.3. It has front and rear adjustable Falcon shocks, added rear leaf mini spring, and then upgraded sumo spring in the front. We also put on these BF Goodrich KO2 tires to get more traction off-road. Up top, you'll notice that we added a Freedom Van Gogh roof rack. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But mounted to that, we have a Fiamma 13-foot awning. This thing's amazing, and we always recommend it to all of our clients. Moving down the passenger side, we have both water inlets and a 120-volt outlet. The first water inlet is a direct feed to fill up your tank. The second one is a pressurized line, so let's say you're at an RV park or at a friend's house, you could hook up your hose and it'll bypass your pump, it'll bypass your tank and give you unlimited water. Let's check out the other side. So on the driver's side, we added these two bunk windows from AM Auto. We love these windows because they're operable. You could open them up and they also have a screen inside so you can keep the bugs out. Just in the back here, we have our shore power inlet. This is the ability to hook up to shore power, one way to charge your batteries. And then we also mounted this Backwood Adventure Mods side ladder. It gives you easy access to your roof deck and roof rack. Come check it out. As we mentioned before, this roof rack is from Freedom Van Gogh. We love it because you could add roof decks, easily mount accessories, and light bars like we did here. So here we have a good roof deck. It's about 6 feet, so you could come hang out, eat, and do whatever up here, watch the sunset, sunrises. We also mounted 2 solar panels, a 42-inch light bar up front, and then the Wii Boost in the back. That concludes the roof. Let's go check out the inside. Before we continue with the tour, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We are a custom camper van builder based out of Jacksonville, Florida. We offer fully custom camper vans and work with all different types of people and styles. We also just posted 2 other tour videos of vans that we're super proud of, so if you haven't already, check those out. We also have our website, Instagram. All the links will be below. Alright, let's continue with the tour. So the first thing you'll notice is we added this mosquito screen from Bugwall. We love these mosquito screens because they're magnetic in the middle, but they also have zippers on the side, so when you're not using it, you can just zip it up like we have it now. We also have one in the rear, which we'll show you in a little bit. This van has a very unique floor plan, and as you see, we have this fridge mounted in the middle of the sliding door. This fridge is a Dometic 110. It also has a freezer and fridge, so we really love it. We also have a pop-up table right here, which is really nice. There's shoe storage underneath it, and then we also have a push-to-connect propane fitting, so whenever you want to be able to cook outside, you could hook up your propane tank to there and cook outside, which is really nice. We also have a 120-volt outlet right here. Let's go in the inside. So for this van, we added 2 swivel seats to both the passenger side and the driver's side. We also have this Lagoon swivel table mount that will come out and swivel around, and then this turns into a top. That way 2 people can comfortably eat, hang out, and do whatever up front. Just above the cab area, we have this overhead shelf from White Top Adventure. We love this thing because there's also, we could put a bunch of storage up here. It also has a dowel rod, so you could have a curtain for privacy. Just behind the driver's seat, we have our kitchen galley. This thing has a really big deep sink, a pull-out faucet, plenty of storage. All these are on soft close hinges, and then a little secret cubby right here for dish soap, dish sponges. There's also a cubby here where you can put your olive oil, other soaps, things like that. And then we have a 2-burner propane cooktop that you could also bake in, which is really cool. A lot of vans don't have this feature. And then just above that, we have more storage overhead cabinets, a little magnetic spice rack. You can keep all your spices. We have another 120-volt outlet, your switch for your water pump, your switch for your Wii Boost, and also a dimmer switch for these LED lights underneath. Just behind the kitchen, we have this bench sheet that also has a standalone bench, a table. So this is really nice. A lot of people can hang out and eat over here as well. Under all of these is all storage. This one actually houses your cassette toilet. This one's more storage under here, as well as your Webasto diesel heater. More storage in this one as well. And then final storage under here too. That leads to the garage. There's also a 32-inch TV monitor. That way you could either work when you're sitting at the bench or watch TV when you're laying down in bed. The bed's a really cool design. It's actually a pull-out bed. So right now it's kind of in relaxed mode where you could be able to hang out, eat on the bench, and then when you want to go to bed, and it turns into almost a king-size mattress. Just above the mattress we have, again, more storage. This cabinet actually holds your inverter switch as well as your battery monitor. And then there's more storage. We also have these two reading lights on both sides. They have USB switches so you could plug in your phones at night. There's also another 120 volt outlet over there. The fan switch, which is really nice when you're laying in bed. You could turn on and off the max air fan from up here. There's also another dimmer over here for the lights. All the lights are actually all on dimmer switches, which is really nice and we like that. Lastly, let's check out the garage. So what's really nice about this garage, it's super deep. You can have plenty of storage back here for bigger gear. On our right, we have our electrical box. This houses our electrical system. The electrical system consists of 300 amp hour lithium batteries, a 3000 watt inverter charger, a 50 amp DC to DC charger, and a solar charger controller that services to the two 100 watt panels up top for 200 watts in total. It's all Renogy gear. Just below that we have our water pump that services our 32 gallon freshwater tank. In front of the box we have our distribution panel for easy access to all your fuses and breakers. If anything were to go wrong, this is the first thing that you would check. Also underneath that we have another 120 volt outlet and then the switch for the garage light. On the left side we have our vented propane box, which houses a 20-pound propane tank. This services your oven up front and also this hot water heater. This is a hot tap hot water heater. It allows you to have a hot door shower out front. This is a magnetic clip, so you could hang it right here, take showers out the back, which is really nice. Hot water also goes to the sink as well, so you could have hot water in the front. This pretty much concludes our tour video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the end. We are doing a giveaway. All you have to do is comment your favorite part of the video below, as we'll reach out to you guys and send you a swag pack filled with a t-shirt and a bunch of stickers. Again, my name is Alex. I'm the founder of Beachside Custom Vans. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.